Hello everyone. In Telegram new update, you can make stories in Collage or in Grade. For that, first update your Telegram and open your Telegram and tap on camera icon. Now on the top, tap on Grade or Collage icon. As you see, you can choose any grade you want in 4, 3, in vertical or horizontal. Now you can choose any photo or video for each part. Also, you can use your gallery. Tap on it. For example, I choose this photo for this first one, and this one for second one, this one for third, and this one for four. As you see, we complete this grade. After that, tap on done. Now you can tap on next. You can choose who can see your stories and tap on post story. Wait to upload and open your story. As you see, we send our story in Collage or in Grade. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.